Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
Okay, let me
Don't
get
wanna
started
hear
with
it,
my work again, okay? I'll put
I
in my
wanna see
battery
it.
to start on
See
and it's
how
still weak. So
rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way.
Now let's get into this video. Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finna style this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking today was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it, boo. Okay, so the unit that I am wearing is the Nadula Lace Closure Wig, curly wigs, human hair wigs with natural hairline, hand tied lace parting wig. Child, that's a lot of wig in one title. Okay, okay, so I want to go ahead and say that I have this unit in 24 inches. They say on here that it is available in 12 to 26 inches, all of those being even numbers. The name is the same name that I said earlier. The cap size is average. This cap type is a Tpart lace. The lace size is a 4 by 0.75. It's 150% density. I don't see what they say the texture is other than curly. Okay, so the only thing I see on here is that it says it's a curly wig. So that's what I'm gonna go with. Okay, so this is a lace part wig, so let's start there. Okay, with lace part units, you know that you cannot part it elsewhere. Now this one is you get a good little amount of space, so you probably could part it just a little bit over to the side, and you are able to tweeze this one. But it is still a lace part wig, so if you want it to be on the right side, I mean the left side or the right side or the middle, you just have to shift the wig. When you get it, it's gonna look like it comes as a middle part, but you can just shift it like I did, okay? So you still can do that, but it is a lace part wig, so you cannot part it elsewhere, okay? And this one is a 4x4, so it literally comes here to here, okay? And I do wanna go ahead and mention that on the side, I had, and I hope I got it, child, it's in my trash. There was like a little bit of the weft like protruding, so I had to cut that off, and it like left a little bit of space right there. So it was just on this side, not on this side at all, but just this side. And now you can't see it because I kind of just like put some hair over it, but it did leave like a little space there. So I wanted to kind of throw that out there to you guys. But yeah, it is like a 4x4, which makes it really, really easy to just kind of throw on and go. Okay. The hair is curly hair. It's not super tangly, and it doesn't shed a lot, but it did shed a little bit, and it did tangle a little bit while I was brushing it out, which is pretty common with curly hair. It is for me anyway. So it was not excessive, so it wasn't anything that I was like, oh honey, you gotta go return to sender. Okay, it wasn't like that, but I do like to point it out so you can't come for me later and say I didn't tell you, girl, because I told you. But like I said, it wasn't excessive. This particular particular unit, in my opinion, is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps, but I am an average cap size, so do with that what you want to do with that, honey, okay? Because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a 360 and lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so my con, believe it or not, is not the fact that it is a lace part wig. That is not a con for me with this particular unit, because I love the convenience of it all. The con would be just that fact that, you know, mine had this web sticking out on the side that I had to cut off, and it kind of just like left this space in between the lace and the wig that made me kind of wary, like I was gonna tear it or something. So that is my only con with this unit, is that particular thing. My pros with this unit is I feel like it is extremely beginner friendly. If you're somebody that just kind of getting into wigs, you're a little anxious, I feel like when you get these sort of wigs, it makes it easier. You know, if you want to eventually get to frontals, I would start with the lace part wig, something like this, and then go on to more, okay? But I love that for me, even though I wear frontals and all that. I just love the convenience of it because I also feel like it's mom friendly. I also love that the parting space is a little more than what I am used to when it comes to lace part wigs. It does give you a little bit more wiggle room. And y'all know I'm living for a curly unit. I love me a curly unit, girl, okay? I love them. They're life. Okay, so I also love that for me, and those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would personally recommend this wig because, like I said, it's beginner friendly. You cannot beat the convenience. And the only con was just that little part, and that could be an issue just for me in general. I don't know if that's every wig. You know, sometimes you get one that's one way and, you know, whatever. But that's the only con to me. It was not a huge con because I don't even feel like you can tell now. And honey, that is always what I'm most concerned about, okay? I don't want to be looking crazy out here in these streets. So I would personally recommend this wig just based off the convenience and the fact that it's beginner friendly. Like, so yes, I personally would recommend this wig. I think she's a look. I think she's a vibe, girl. All right, honey, let's do this full 360 and this lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Keep in mind I am 5'4" and that this unit is 24 inches. So I wanted to throw that out there in case I forgot to say that earlier. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So let me know down below what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions. And once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I didn't mention or whatever, comment down below or just comment, hey boo. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthyMissC on Snapchat and Disastrous